So it's basically I'm showing to the world how the U.S. government is crooked. Now, from what I heard, everybody in the hood know, Qasim is a snitch. You know, Qasim know who I'm talking about, and everybody know in the hood know who Qasim from Gifford is. He's a snitch. He was a minor, so they locked me up with a snitch. Now, me, I'm not a U.S. citizen, so but I don't give America value. So if I was someone that wanted to stay in America and follow and ain't follow the rules to the game, I would have been dead. A lot of people would have been dead because it was like I was gonna snitch on some American people. My people was gonna get involved. Their people is gonna get involved. If I go say no, Qasim wasn't hustling for me. He was hustling for this person. But I've been in this game since 13. I've been in the game, so I wasn't folding. Even so that done with me and Qasim. Now, um, 13 years later, about 10, 13 years later, between that time, I think 2003. So the case was in 2001, but it took them 2003 somehow to be finished with me with that deportation case. And so now 13 years later, I'm deported for that case. After 10 years, ICE came and picked me up because I filed for my green card. I didn't really know how the system worked, and so I could work. So I know I was supposed to be deported because that was part of my sentencing. If I plead guilty, this is a deportable charge. So when I went to pick up my green card, they locked me up. At that time, nobody knew how ICE was working. So they took me in for a year. I'm fighting. I spent over $30,000 fighting ICE. They took me. I lost. I appealed to bring a expert witness, Michelle Carshin. So and I use and I trying to reopen the case on a RPC, PCR, something like that on the immigration law. That's something on the immigration law. But they said no. Everything the judge that I went to see said everything. Judge Callahan did everything by the book, and it's a done deal. I already plead guilty, so it's done. So I'm spending money on that. So after I lost the immigration, I appeal. So after I appeal, they let me bring in another expert. Every time you appeal, it's about 250, 2,500 or $3,000 for the lawyer. Around $3,000 for the lawyer because you paying for the paperwork every time I appeal. So I finished with all my appeal on the BIA side. That's the immigration law court. So I had to go after I lost all the appeal, and I had to go to the Supreme Court. Is a minimum $10,000 for the Third Circuit Court for a lawyer to take your case. I had to take a different lawyer because that lawyer Goldenberg, I forgot her first name, and had a license for the Third Circuit Court. So I had to hire another lawyer. Automatically $10,000 on top, the minimum. They will take your case plus paperwork. I spent over 30,000. I didn't even want to fight my family, my sister and my wife, my mother. They were scared I come from to hate. So it was gonna happen to me in Haiti, but I'm fearless. I wasn't fearing. So anyway, while I was waiting while I appealed in Third Circuit, I was waiting, but they could deport you while you on Third Circuit. They took me to Louisiana or Alabama, and you know, right before my deportation, two immigration officer, because they was about to deport Haitian, came and picked me up. You know, till this day, me and my lawyer don't even know why ICE released me. They came and picked me up from Louisiana or Alabama, one of them, and they ain't even handcuffs me or nothing like that, because you know I think they wanted to shoot. It's either one thing, because I don't know, my lawyers don't know, nobody know why they released me for 5 years, but I know it's only two things, you know. One was, you know, when I was walking to the, I think they handcuffed me in the airport, or when I was walking to their car in Newark Airport, International Airport. The only reason that I know, because I know how the law enforcement in America work. The only reason they want to, they ain't put no handcuffs on me, is to shoot me in the back. Thought I was gonna run, but I ain't run. I'm a man, you know. And the police could tell them, they probably already know I don't run. So I don't know why they ain't put no handcuffs on me or nothing like that. I was walking in the middle of two white men. You know, they strapped up. I ain't run. I know they was gonna shoot me in the back just like they do all the black men. So I didn't run. So they took me. I got in the car. Before I got in the car, they handcuffs me, and I think in 3 months, because they got immigration law, in 3 months, if they don't deport you, to release you. So they released me. I was shocked. I called my father up and my wife. I was like, I don't know where I'm going. They came and get me from detention in Hudson County, immigration detention. Nobody know. I don't know. The only reason I think is to shoot me, to kill me, and they trying to kill me while I was released with some injection and some other things. I get one day I'm gonna get into that on YouTube, you know. They gave me the platform. I'm trying to behave, because before they shut me up, they already gave me a warning so I could spread my words, you know. So that's the only reason I think they didn't send me to, they didn't release me. They wanted to lock me up for something big, or they wanted to kill me, which they trying to, the immigration detective was trying to kill me. They already trying to kill me, injection and some other tactic they use. One day I'm gonna get to that, but right now I'm dealing with my public trial. So that's my trial for right now. I will continue. I know you don't like to listen to long videos, but I will continue.